cord up out of him. His mean ass would free him. Yeah, I'm on the way to the motherfucking house though. Probably gonna stop at my cousin's house, gonna steal some of her hair shit. Ain't no motherfucking selling with me. I told you, he wasn't walking with no suit on for no reason. He done bought that Lexus and it done broke down. You seen it better? To my cousin's house, y'all. I was already going to vlog. But I'm about to go to my cousin's store and try to go get something up out of there, you know. I'm getting a whole lot of gang shit. So, y'all, I'm at the ghetto boutique. Bitch, this ain't no boutique, though. But yeah, y'all, I'm just trying to give me a little press on something. She just cut me off.
Bitch, I ain't cut you. I scrubbed you.
But I'm trying to see if I can do this install with these nails on them. So I guess I'm gonna name the video "Applying the Wig with Nails On" with medium length nails. Okay. I got my hand, and they gonna keep them on for 2 seconds. But yeah, y'all, period. I like this color pink in the room. I want to get out of my room. But you know, I'm cut this off because they ain't gonna stay. Without further ado, let's get in the video. Okay, so I don't really know, y'all. I don't forgot how to do hair. I'm looking in the mirror right here too. You can cut your sides. Y'all. I honestly don't know what I'm doing. Because I really think I have to let this dry first. Then I got these freaking press on nails on. Okay, y'all, so I know what step I'm missing. Don't laugh at me. But that's what it's cutting out. This got me. Cause baby, what the fuck, man? Y'all, my man gonna see me. Y'all was looking like something. You gonna spray what got to be right there. Smooth that bitch out everywhere. I can't possibly look at y'all and look at the mirror. But yeah. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to cut the ball cap. I had to go wash my wig and some my clothes. No, baby, look the hottest. So, These some of these good sellers. Okay. Cause I need this wig to be melted. Y'all see the ball cap is giving a little piece coming up, but it's whatever. Y'all don't crack the fucking nail. The fuck, we just gonna cut that part out, but you're not a professional. Tie this shit up. Okay, y'all had to go get some makeup. My sister be trying to hide her shit. I got ghost bond. Everybody should know what that is by now if you wearing wigs. Ghost bond. Okay, y'all, so I got that down. Hopefully it look right, cause I don't even know how to do no wig style. I'm not no pro at this shit. But this the wig. I'm finna blow drying it out, but it's gonna have to do today. Then I already don't know how to put no wig on, y'all. So we're gonna see. I wouldn't say this is my first time trying to install a wig, but this meltdown season, baby, and I gotta have it on right. Oops, that's how you know I'm a bad bitch, because the wig ain't even on you. Yeah, what do I use this for? I just got it on my sister's room. See, I'm already doing it wrong, yeah. Ooh, that look like a scalp. Please don't play with that girl. That's where I got these on Shein for $2. Brandon. Y'all, that's giving scalp, baby. It's giving scalp. Man, please don't play with it. Now I know exactly what this is for. This Even Wonder Lace Bun Milk Glue. Y'all see that lace disappear? A little bit of that alcohol. I think I'm probably gonna end up using some more glue. But that's what we got this wig band for. I always tell mine because they don't be talking about it. Once again, I got this heat protector. I just hate the fact that the filament stuff be on my hair. I really do hate it real bad, and I be trying to hurry up and get more. Honey, cause you said you was going where? Cause I said to be taking up shit on me. That's what I meant. I said a bitch not have, okay? No, I'm gonna come back to y'all whenever I have styled it, because I have not showed y'all how to install a wig. I'm gonna come back to y'all whenever I'm done styling my wig, period. Please don't motherfucking play with it. So this my hair, y'all, and I'm done. I tried curls, but it didn't work out. So yeah, and don't forget, if it ain't about a motherfucking dollar, then don't holla.